Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check pattern on an SX610FW Epson Stylus printer. Now you would do a nozzle check if you've noticed some like print quality issues with what you've been printing, and this is a good way of identifying exactly which colour is at fault. So first of all, we need to go down to Setup, which is a screwdriver and a spanner icon on the bottom left hand corner of the main screen. We hit OK. And then we just need to navigate along to maintenance, hit OK again, and then the very first option there is nozzle check, so hit OK. Okay, so you make sure there's paper in there, and then we just need to press the start button, which is over here on the right hand side. I see it takes just a few seconds to do that one, and from here we can see a breakdown of all 6 colours used by your printer and identify any print quality issues here. So you can just about see the magenta, there's a small gap in the lines there, so I'd recommend doing some cleaning from here. Now as you see on the Epson printer, you've got the option to finish nozzle check or head cleaning if you have noticed some issues. So I'm going to go ahead, do some head cleaning now, check the results again with another nozzle check. Right, I hope you found this useful. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Take care.